I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts and airbag errors. Once done, recover the refrigerant with a certified station. This protects you and the system and is required by law. Next, raise the car and remove the engine cover so you can access the compressor. Make sure to have a jack and stands. Remove the serpentine belt using the proper wrench on the belt tensioner. This relieves pulley load so you can unbolt the compressor safely. You'll now isolate and remove the compressor assembly. First, label and disconnect the electrical connectors and the high/low pressure lines, then cap or plug to prevent contamination. Next, unbolt the compressor mounting bolts. There are 3 or 4. Support the unit as you remove it so it doesn't fall. Remove any clutch or bracket pieces if they stay with the old unit. Measure and record the oil drained from the compressor because you must add the same type. And install the new compressor by transferring the correct oil volume you recorded. This preserves lubrication and clutch function. Bolt the compressor to factory torque specs and reconnect both refrigerant lines and electrical connectors. Tight seals are crucial. Once assembled, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump to roughly 500 microns to remove moisture and air, then charge with the specified refrigerant amount. Finally, start the engine. Monitor pressure gauges and listen for abnormal noise. If cooling is poor,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.